When you want to learn more about the environment, sustainability, and the impact of human processes on the Earth, check out Gale In Context Environmental Studies. Click for fast access to frequently studied issues. Browse all topics or choose a category. Assess your interest in a subject. Learn more with additional reference overviews. Related case studies offer concrete analysis of the topic. Engage with multimedia coverage. Multiple source types and recent coverage strengthen your understanding. Click options to add limiters and view sources. Use Cite to start your works cited. Or simply choose your preferred citation format at the bottom of the article. Save your results to stay organized and easily manage your research.